Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to my channel if you are new. My name is Kristen. Hello. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I get my long lashes without using any falsies. So if you guys are interested in seeing that, then keep watching. The first product that I use is this Void Bella Eyelash Growth Serum. I got this on Amazon. I just apply it to my lashes like eyeliner. I really do think that this helps. I have seen a difference in my lashes. So then when I do my makeup, I curl my lashes, and this is a eyelash curler I got from my QVC advent calendar. I really like it. I won't be able to link it because I can't find it online ever, but just know that I like it. Next, I go in with the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise Base, and I just apply this to the lashes. It does have a white coating, I guess you could say, but it does dry down clear. It takes about like 45 seconds, and then this is the difference that it makes between my two eyes. Like, you can really see the difference. Then once it's dry, I go in with the Bella Terra Mineral Mascara. You can literally go in with your favorite mascara. I just think that the Lash Growth Serum and the base are what really make the mascara like look longer, or your lashes look longer. So I just apply this, and when I apply my top lash mascara, I kind of look down so I don't really get any on my lid. Sometimes I do on accident because I am a klutz. And I just honestly leave it there sometimes because I like how it kind of like looks like eyeliner. So then I just apply it to the bottom, and then once it's applied to the bottom, I go in with the Wet n Wild Max Volume Plus Waterproof Mascara. I apply this just to kind of make it all waterproof. I know there's a NYX product that makes it waterproof also. I want to try that one day. And the other reason why I add this is just for extra volume. I think that this also just really makes a difference with the lashes, and I apply this to the top and bottom lashes as well. And then this is what my lashes look like when I'm all done. And that is it for this little how-to video on how I get my long lashes. If you guys enjoyed this, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you guys have any video suggestions, please let me know in the comments down below. Or if you just want to leave a comment saying hey, please do that too. And that is all I have to say. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!